Okay, this is my latest and greatest bike check. Sorry about the lighting, it's dark and this camera sucks. You know, you got the stripped down front rim, got the shitty don't know what kind of bars, okay? S&M seat, you know how we do it. Got that fat ass chain down there. You can even see that, it's huge. Got the 10-pounder cranks with 30-pounder pedals. You can even see those. Alright. Now got the spray painted 6 times, if you can even see that, back rim. Yeah, it's really good. Alright. Got the blue spray painted DK what the hell do you call it? Stem. Yeah. S&M money grips. Oh, stolen money grips. Woo. No bar ends, because that's how I roll. And yeah, bike's my favorite. I love it. You want to see me test ride it? Okay, I thought you would. You probably can't even see me.